Trying to look fresh-faced but ending up looking older instead? These 10 makeup mistakes could be aging you without you even knowing it. Don't miss these 10 common mistakes and how to fix them. Blush has the power to transform a face. Be careful, because blushes of dark shades make you look older. Choose fresh pink or peachy tones. Cream blushes are more recommended than blush powder for older skin. An incorrectly chosen color makes you look, at least, 10 years older than you actually are. So always test that your foundation blends 100% with your skin color. How do I choose my exact foundation shade? Know your undertone and skin tone, swatch on bare skin and check in natural light. This is one of those mistakes that everyone makes. Brown eyeshadows brighten your eyes, but they emphasize the fatigue of the eyelids. It steals the youth from your eyes, so choose a different color from now on. With regards to eye makeup for aging eyes, to make older eyes look bigger, use lighter rather than darker shades, as dark colors can make the eyes look smaller. Even better are creamy eyeshadows. They have a smoother texture and are less likely to settle into fine lines and wrinkles. If you draw a line on the lower eyelid with a black pencil, your eyes will visually become narrower. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make with makeup. For mature beauties over 40, finding the right eye pencil can be tricky. A little trick is to apply a white liner to the lower waterline, which helps to open and brighten the eyes. Too much powder on the face dries out your skin, which automatically makes you look older than you really are. Mature faces are generally on the drier side. So a dense, pigmented powder will cling to dry patches and go on unevenly. Use a powder infused with hyaluronic acid. Sweep a light dusting of bronzer onto your hairline, cheekbones, and jawline. While black remains a classic choice, it is difficult to match with your skin color and often makes you look older. Using dark-colored eyeliners will draw more attention to the eyes, making the sagging more visible. Brown provides a softer and more natural appearance, complementing various skin tones. If you're feeling adventurous, try experimenting with vibrant hues like purple or green. Always aim for the opposite of the black liner effect, and that is to make the eyes pop. Concealer can be a girl's best friend, but it can also turn into your worst enemy if it isn't used correctly. The creamy product is meant to disguise discoloration, including acne scars and dark under-eye circles. Creasing lines and an aged face are just a few of the concealer blunders that could happen. Remember, less is always more. Applying too much concealer can lead to unwanted creasing. You only need a little. Applying too much concealer can cause it to build up in the fine lines around your eyes. It will make you older than you are. Mascara on your lower lashes emphasizes the wrinkles around your eyes, so try to keep your lower lashes as natural as possible. Mascara on the top lashes makes your eyes look bigger and really stands out. If you think that a thick and clean line on your upper eyelid makes you look more confident, that's absolutely not true. Especially if you don't blend the eyeliner. Do you only use mascara and eyeliner? Then draw a thinner line for a more natural look. Bright, dark, or very red lipstick can attract more unwanted attention to your mouth, wrinkles, teeth, and jawline than you might like. Lighter colors like pinks, corals, and some nudes can give the lips a fuller and more youthful look.